Okay, bring it down just a hair.
Like this, I'll tap it in.
Perfect. The gap is spot on.